Friends, welcome to Internet Tutors. Today in this video I am going to teach you related to the concept related to the sum and AutoSum in Excel, because this is the most important concept. So you once you know the formula, you will expert in this formula, because what happened, the people are doing manual calculation using the calculator, but once you do know the Excel, learn the Excel, you can do a large amount of data calculation. So AutoSum, it is the kind of formula to calculate the sum of range of cell using the sum functions. Okay, so I will just try to demonstrate in this Microsoft that office.com. So where you will get a auto copilot also, their new tools of AI at the free of cost. So once you have to create a account in the that Microsoft Office, you will going having access in that. So it is represented by below symbol. In see, this is AutoSum. Okay, auto symbol is just like a sigma symbol, and it is in the formula section, which is in the functional library. Is it's also in the home section, is also there. So path is that home, in section editing section AutoSum is there. So it is present in the formula section on home side. I hope that this point has been clear to you. So I am going to move to the next slide. So how it's work? We have to select a target cell by choosing the cell where the calculation of the sum to be displayed. Cell should be adjacent or nearby to the range of number which you want to sum. In order to access home tab and formula are present in the MS Excel, you can find the auto sum button in the editing group present on the home tab. In the function group of a formula, it is present. When you click on this button, it will automatically detect the range of cells which are containing numbers which is adjacent to our selected range, and suggest the sum formula which is entirely based on the range. It will automatically pre-populate the formula within the selected range. If the selected range is incorrect, you can manually drag and select the range or entering the correct range in the formula. You can manually type the sum function formula in the range and where the range of the cells which you want to sum. You can do this operation in horizontal, sidewise, left and right, vertical manner. Please enter to finalize or display the output of sum of selected cell. It will not going to handle the non-contiguous ranges where the cells are not next to each other. It also provide access to other functions like average, mean, max and count. It also provide access to other functions like average, mean, max, count, sum, a1, a2, a3. It will all add the present all the value present in the cell a1 and a2 3 together. We can also add the multiple ranges like just like sum open bracket a1 to a5, c1 to c5. It will all the add the all the cell starting from a1 to a5 and c1 to c5 together and provide the cumulated sum. So shortcut is alt plus equal to. Tips: please ensure that the range should be numbers, otherwise text or error will may cause. If you see the hash value, you should check for the numeric data in the range. So this is the point I have just tried to mention in the slide, because this is the theoretical concept. You just, because this line, if you learn the theory, then it is useful for you to go on the practical part. So I am going to move on the practical part. Let's see the practical part. So first of all, I open the my Edge browser. Okay, and I will just like write google.com. Okay, once I go to the google.com, I will just like Microsoft I will type Microsoft 365. Okay, Microsoft 365. I will write just like Microsoft 6. So logging this will be coming. So in this latest version, if you get free of course, so sign in I will write because I have already created a account here. So wait for that to account to be displayed. So already I have logging it. You have need to create account in order to uh, access it. Okay. So just like suppose I have opened this book one drive. Okay, I have already just like opened one drive for you. So see, I have written here product name, area, January, February, March, April, May. Okay, product name, area. So I will just try to uh, just like I will just try to do the bordering part, and I will write here product name just like I have purchased a laptop. Okay, area for example I have purchased in east region, and how much I have purchased, how much the price I have purchases. So suppose I have purchased of the price 5,000. In the February I have purchased the price of 10,000. In the March I have purchased the 15,000. In the April just like 20,000. Okay, in the May 25,000. Okay, so just like I have just written in similar manner, if I can say that I purchases a mouse which region east. Okay, so I just write here 500. Okay, so here in the February month 250. Okay, I purchases a price. Okay, in February 250, and in the March 780. Okay, and in the April I have purchased 600. Okay, in the May I have purchased 450. Okay, so I have purchased. And other thing is that keyboard. Okay, keyboard what I have purchased in the east region. Okay, so in the keyboard I have purchased of 2,000 rupees. Okay, in the February I have purchased of 3,000 rupees. In March I have purchased of 4,000 rupees. In April I have purchased of 5,000 rupees. Okay, in May I have purchased a 6,000 rupees. Okay, so just like I have purchased a mic. Okay, also in the east region. Okay, so I have purchased of amount 1,200. Okay, in February I have purchased of 1,300. In March I have purchased of 1,400. Okay, in April I have purchased of 1,500. Okay, in May I have purchased of 1,600. Okay, so I have purchased in this area east. I have purchased, and how much suppose I want to see the purchasing power of this east. Okay, I have just done it. So if I do, what happens, suppose if I calculate the total purchase I have in January, February, March. So if I do this, okay, and just click on that, insert, go to that formula. Okay, and here is the AutoSum formula. Okay, I just click on the AutoSum. See the, it will give you the all the calculation, and if I see just click on that single click. See here I will click on it. No, I will just select, and so it is coming like just like, oh okay, so will we see the control Z, and suppose just like similar I will just do the AutoSum. Okay, in that manner I will again do the AutoSum. Okay, in the same manner I do the AutoSum. Okay, so suppose I want to see the how much total I have purchased that mouse, keyboard and mic. So I will just like by typing equal to sum. Okay, bracket open. Okay, first is what, C2. Okay, C2 up to what, C2 C5. Okay, so I just close that formula and press enter. Okay, so this 8700 has been I have purchased in this. So similar manner, if I do the formula of sum. Okay, and this is what, D2. Okay, d2 up to what I have to sum, d5. Okay, so again I press enter, so it will be coming. In the similar manner, I can also direct select this area. Okay, select this area and do the auto sum. Okay, so it will calculate all the value. So select all the area, I will press auto sum. Okay, select all area and place auto sum. So and here also select area and do the auto sum. So I hope that you have understood this of sort of example of mine, that is AutoSum. And see, here it is a home section. Okay, but because this is a ribbon I want to show you, I want to say the classical ribbon layout. Okay, now you will going to see in the home section there is a, in the editing part there is a AutoSum section. Okay, in the similar manner, in the when I go to the formula section, in the formula section there is function library, that is AutoSum. So you can go to the navigation, and I hope that I have tried to display all the things to you in this concept only. So you can similar also calculate by typing some formula, just like west, south, north, and calculate it. Suppose if I want to do the sum, okay, just like I want to do the sum. Okay, sum I want to do, suppose this is a c6. Okay, I will just like c6. Okay, these all are totals now, totals I will just like c6. Okay, and in the February month total is what, d6. Okay, okay, and I will just write E6, okay, of March month, F6 or G6. Okay, and just close the bracket and press enter. So see 10458. So here I have taken all the sum of Jan, February, March, April, May, the laptop sale which has been around 75,000, and mouse sale in the east around 2580, keyboard sale around is 20,000, mic is, and what is its sum, 104580. So this formula I have seen. I can write also in a similar, in a different style. So see, SUM sum. Okay, I just like, this is a different. See, if I write like C2 to C2 to C5. Okay, C2 to C5. Okay, and comma D2 to D5. Okay, comma E2 to E5. Okay, okay, and after that F2 to F5. Okay, after that G2 to G5. Okay, and just close the bracket and press enter. Okay, 1058. So this is the, I have tried to, in the presentation part I have tried to explain you this all the thing which is written. I hope that when you go to this presentation now, you will get everything clear. Okay, so again I will just try to show you this presentation. So I hope that you should be clear. See, AutoSum, whatever the points I have tried here now, I have just tried shown you by the example. Okay, so this is, so you should see, this is a particular way. Also this is, I can just calculate in here also. I will just write a formula, same steps I will write here. So all the calculations will, whether it is a vertical, horizontal, anywhere I will just write and form the formula. I will just to mention this path I have to calculate it, and it will be auto. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my Internet Tutors YouTube channel for the new videos update of Excel. You will get definitely getting all the times of practical executions, and you will become a zero to expert, because once you know learn these concepts, now you will having a many develop. Because what is the importance of Excels in learning this? Because today many jobs, if you are see on the Naukri linking anywhere, Excel's demand is anywhere. Whether you are in the manager level, whether you are in the executive ledger, whether you are a team level, you should know the Excel for calculating the all the things. Because all the things, all the calculations are majorly performed on the Castle. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.